All right, here we are, ladies and gentlemen. Bowzuzao. We've got the triple boost here. Fire away. Let's see what we can do. Here we go. Zone boosts, you get the different zones. You get 5 times, 4 times, 3 times, and 2 times. What do you think, babe? So far, she's been kicking my butt the whole trip, so let's see those numbers drop. Drop. Oh, 2 good ones there. Come on, you can do it. You can do it. Oh, there's another one. There's another one. You got 2 times. Keep them coming. Keep them coming. All right. All right, let's do this. More. Still got 3 spins. Come on, let's do it. You got 1 in the bottom. That's 5 times. Let's do it. Doing really well here so far. Annette Marie. You're doing it for us. You got 4 in the top still. Oh, you got another one. Oh, you're going to get a good game out of this one. Here we go. Drop that baby. Drop that bad boy. Drop. She got the minor too. Holy Christmas. The luck of the Irish. Shouldn't be got it, sister Fundy. 1 spin left. Oh my goodness. Is there 1 in that slot? No. It's vacant. What a shame. I can't wait to see the total on this one.
Yeah.
Okay. Let's see what that total is. All those 5 times. Here it comes. Winner, chicken dinner. 78, 88, 98, 118. That miner's $80. Oh my gosh. Oh, you are just, look at this woman. Breaking it in. Well, there it is, $466.